You're working in your main Notion workspace. Open a new tab for a client project and hit an authentication loop or a forced SSO redirect error. Incognito windows offer a temporary fix, but wipe your session the moment you close the tab. This forces you to repeat the two-factor authentication process every time you check a project. To manage dozens of workspaces simultaneously, you need sandboxed profiles that keep every account's data physically separated within a single browser. Using isolated containers converts a constant technical friction point into a streamlined, scalable workflow for all your client accounts. Open your isolated browser tool and select the option to create a new profile container. Establish a clear naming convention immediately. Always use the client's name or the specific project type to label the container. Assign a high-contrast color tag to the profile. This visual cue helps you identify exactly which client environment you are in when you have multiple windows open. Launch the new profile and navigate to the Notion login page. Authenticate using that specific client's Google Workspace or corporate SSO credentials and complete the 2FA verification. To set up a second project, simply repeat this process in a completely separate profile for your next enterprise client. Each profile maintains its own isolated storage. The login token for your first client is partitioned in one container, so the second login cannot trigger a session overwrite or a logout. This architecture allows both enterprise workspaces to remain active and functional side by side. Isolation stops the cycle of session collisions and grants you persistent, parallel access to incompatible domains. Within each isolated container, go to your primary project wiki or Kanban board. Pin the tab or bookmark the specific database inside that profile's local browser environment. Because these containers retain your login state, these pinned tabs will bypass the login screens entirely the next time you open the profile. To manage high volumes of accounts, return to your main dashboard to create organizational folders. Sort your color-coded profiles by dragging them into folders based on their status, such as active clients, internal, or archived. Physical categorization ensures your personal workspace and client data stay fully segregated, preventing any accidental data leaks or permission errors. Organizing your profiles this way transforms a list of logins into a structured, professional digital agency. This architecture enables a secure way to share client environments with contractors or junior team members. By sharing the active profile session, you grant a contractor direct access to the workspace. They can work within the authenticated container while your master SSO credentials remain hidden from their view. With this setup, you can jump between your internal agency space and multiple client roadmaps with zero lag and no login prompts. You no longer have to manage 2FA codes just to check a client's daily progress. Implement this structure using the resources provided to establish a professional workflow built on physical isolation.